Welcome back, viewers. As a dog parent, it is our vital responsibility to take care of our pets. Dog owners rarely examine their paw pads and unless there's a specific reason to. A quick checkup every so often, especially after the bad weather or complex terrain, might prevent your dog from developing more significant health issues. When he exhibits injury symptoms, it is definitely a lot worse. Watch this video on the common paw problems by the dogs and why you should not avoid them. Paw provides indications of probable medical issues in addition to indicators of an injury. The following are the most typical signs of paw issues: the cracked paws, the parasites, the dog paw infections, the allergies, the enlarged toenails, the abrasions, the cysts, the cuts and wounds, and the plantar vitiligo, along with the foxtails. Let's have a look at the most common issues when it comes to dog paws. Cracked paws. Pets are born with paw pads that are rough so that they can get a grip on the smooth surfaces. Paws and red numerous factors, including a hot pavement, cold weather, cement, dry air, rough surfaces, and excessive licking can result in dry and cracked paw pads. Your pet's distressed by dry, cracked paw pads will also increase their chances of becoming sick. Parasites. In between a pet's paws, where there are a case of number of issues, including diseases and miseries, pets are infamous for hiding. It is preferable to get the tick removed by the vet. If you can make it to the vet, carefully remove the tick by grabbing it by the head with the tweezers or by appropriate tools. Additionally, pet paws may have mite infestations, which can result in scaling, hair loss, and swelling. Your vet will need to perform tests in order to find and cure the mites. Dog paw infections. If your pet's paw pads are different types of bacteria, fungus, or on the rare occasions, these organisms can become hostile and infect the dog's feet. Skin infections caused by bacteria and fungi can be prevalent in the dogs and commonly affect the paws. The skin diseases between the toes and other places are prone to itchiness, redness, and greasy discharge. Dog paw infections can be cured with harmful management. Give them dog snacks and doggy treats with their clean mouths and stop any further spreading because they spend hours possibly licking their affected region. Allergies. Like people, pets can also have allergies of a wide range of substances. Pets that are prone to allergies will itch, especially in their paws, and try to bite, lick, or chew their substances soothe the discomfort. The dog treats you give your dog as a reward are related to his allergies. Feed them with the tastiest crunchy goodies. Additionally, they are the more prone to experience issues with the anal glands and recurring the air with the dog paw infections. Excessive licking can injure or hurt the paw and make it more susceptible to secondary bacterial and fungal diseases. Pets have compulsively licked that feed the show should have the allergies checked by the vet. Well, it's kind of getting boring, is not it? Have a look at this cute dog. Isn't he fluffy and goofy? Well, I would love to have a pet like that. So let's get back. Enlarged toenails. They are frequently and they can harm your dog in a number of ways. It can make taking a dog for a stroll of more difficulty. A dog experiences discomfort and tension in all of the foot joints when the toenails comes in touch with hard garment. This happens because the hard surface causes the nails to back up the nail bed. Long nails also enhance the dog's chances of getting a broken or the torn nail. Ensure that your dog comes enough wholesome proteins among that, providing him with the nutritious diet. Abrasions. Dogs with sustained cuts, abrasions, and lacerations at any time since they run and play on a variety of substances. Watch out the potentially harmful objects on the ground when walking your dog and making sure that they're protected when running on the rocky or uneven terrain or on the road. When injuries happen, foreign objects including the rocks, the twigs, the birds, the pieces of the shattered glasses, and debris can pierce into the skin. Give your dog some doggy treats if they're in for a lot of discomforts and make them feel better. Cyst. Just like humans, it can be challenging to pinpoint the specific cause of a tumor or growth or cyst in an animal. Be very careful because these cysts might rise to cancer in your bodies. Dog skin conditions, on the other hand, are thought to be brought by the environment or diseases. The genetics of certain tumors, their growths, and the cyst can also affect them. Make sure your dog stays calm and comfort them with detectable doggy treats. Cuts and wounds. Well, your dog is an animal, is not it? When our dogs roam outside, it is quite frequent for them to come across numerous sharp things that can injure their paws. Urban areas are typically more likely to have hazards like shattered glass, needles, sharp cables, and other things that can lacerate. These cuts can also increase the risk of the subsequent infections since they frequently occur in unsanitary settings. The plantar vitiligo. A deficiency in the creation of melanocytes or melanin causes the hereditary illness vitiligo in the canines. As a result, some regions of the skin, such as the paw pads, the lack skin pigmentation, may occur in them. Since the emergence of the symptom has no impact on the animal's well-being or quality of life, it is just very cosmetic. Last but not the least, the most important one, of course, the foxtail. The foxtail growth correlates with the starting of the spring. Well, when it's spring, like us, our dogs also want to roam around. It's very obvious. The arrow-shaped sepods of the foxtails, a kind of the spores with the ponty and the spiculates along with the edges, are known as the awns. The spikes are designed to attach by the passing of the animals, the coats, and distribute themselves in the nearby locations. They are regrettably quite sharp and have potential to sever your flesh, even in the paw pads. It is among the most frequent causes of the canine doctor that visits in the spring. Well, be aware because your paw pal is just as close as your family member is, so be very careful to take care of them and their paws. Make sure to look at the early symptoms before it gets very late.